Welcome to Millet Table. For more recipes, you can log on to our website www.millettable.com. Today I am making no ferment horsegram dosa. Let's see how we can make. For this we require 1 cup of millet. You can take any millet. Today I have taken little millet. 1 cup of idli rice, and it should be heaped 1 cup of idli rice and flattened 1 cup of millet. Then half a cup of horsegram, that is kodlu, 1 tablespoon of tuar dal, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and 6 to 8 red chilies. Mix all these 4 things together, wash thoroughly and soak overnight. Then grind along with salt and red chilies. After grinding, rest the batter for at least 1 hour and then make dosas. If you want, you can add finely chopped onions also. I have added some curry leaves. Now we can make dosas. Our kodlu dosa, horsegram dosa is ready.